Welcome to the Geek Easy. Sit back, grab a libation of your choice, and relax, 'cause it's time to do some geek stuff in the Geek Easy. Welcome back to the Geek Easy, fellow geeks. Let's grab a beverage of your choice, because today I am going to be doing showing the one thing that I did not pick up from Batman Day that I just didn't have the money for. If you remember, I didn't go to Batman Day on Saturday, or at least Bosco's my LCS, because I was at Batman all day. They opened at noon, the movie started at noon, the movies didn't get out until 10, they were long closed. Went in Sunday, picked up other stuff. I just didn't have the money for this one, so I had them put it in my box. And then today, I picked up Batman 89, the hardback. Let me take the plastic off. I did not read this miniseries, but it came highly recommended by Joe's Geek Show. So when I saw this, and look at this, it has the foil cover. I just saw this and I picked it up. So here's the front side, and here is the back. It's really kind of hard to show. I mean, it is very shiny. This is The Dark Knight Returns. Okay. Step back into the Gotham of Tim Burton's seminal Batman. Batman movies. Sorry. Gotham becomes... Okay, it's just really hard to read this, but you'll get it. So, here you have a picture of Billy D. Williams' Two-Face, which was what was supposed to happen in the second one. Oh, this is cool. Look here, this is Batman 89. It's like a VHS tape, and if you go on the back, it's got the... That is really cool. DC home video, but this is a VHS tape container. That I did not know that. Have that. Boom. Boom. And starts out, here's the front, the first page. And so I think there's a little bit more in this one than what is in the movie. Yes, because this actually has Catwoman. So I think this might be the first two. I'm not quite sure, but I'll have to read, because there's stuff in here that wasn't in the first movie, or the second. Because look, we have, and then in the back they have Batman 89 sketchbook with little, they have a little Robin there. This is going to be pretty cool. I cannot wait to read this. And I might actually try and do this today. I don't know. The Steelers game is on a little bit later, so I might have to work around the game. But that's what I got, and I can't wait to read it, see what it's like. And let me know if you read it, what you think of it. And like, subscribe, and most of all, enjoy your Batman.